You just finished that jollof rice. So it remain for me. The pot is now empty. When inside the pot is just nothing is inside that pot again. I never say anything to even scratch yourself. That's why I was staying in your house and I'll just die of hunger. Are you okay? Did you even hear all the things I've been saying since?
Sorry. What did you say?
Just since that I've been talking, you did not hear anything. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, I've not just been myself for the past few days now.
What happened? What is it?
You won't believe it when I tell you, the day you came here, when I rushed to his office, I mean my husband to be, I caught him red-handed. I even got to the office trying to see if he was cheating on me truly or not. And, okay, fine, I didn't meet anybody there. The secretary came in to give him a file. That was all that happened. Then on going out of the office, and I felt guilty, like, okay, maybe I was wrong after all, or we were wrong.
Okay. So what happened? Did you apologize to her?
I did. I actually did. No. I didn't meet the atmosphere the way I left it.
Okay, what happened?
They were already smooshing and kissing the same girl.
Oh my god!
Why is that so funny?
When I was telling you, it looked as if I was just bad-mouthing him.
Please don't worsen the case for me. I'm not in my right state right
I'm
now.
not worsening the case for you. I was telling you the facts as at that time. You did not believe me.
So what should I do? What do we do? I cannot sit here and watch one small girl snatch away my husband to be.
There is nothing we can do. Oh wait, I think I have an idea.
What?
I think I know someone that can help us track him down. I have a very nice detective. This guy is good. When it comes to something like this, he's very, very good.
Oh, I don't have money, I beg. I'm planning for a wedding. I can't allow someone to come and
see,
eat my money.
Wait, see. You didn't even allow me to land. Is it the money? Don't worry, it doesn't charge much. I can just call him for you. Sharp, we'll go catch and red-handed. Should I help you? Or you don't want to?
It's not like I don't want to.
See, let me tell you. Let's just... you want to find out what's really going on.
Yes, but...
Hold on, let me call him.
I don't want problems, so...
Calm down.
I want to get married.
Don't worry. You want to see who the kind of person he is, Abby? You want to see the kind of person he is? Don't worry, I will let you know the kind of person your fiancé is.
One trial. Just once.
Don't worry.
And if there is nothing, I will so be mad at you and you will pay him.
You pay me back after I pay him.
What does that supposed to mean?
Because I'm telling you that this guy is good and what he's doing is legit.
Oyiko.
Aqua.
Please, am I speaking to Detective Jedi?
Hello, I'm no detective. Speak up.
Yes! Somebody gave me your number that you're a detective.
Just go straight to the point.
Oh, sorry, sir. See, I have a job for you.
Okay, what is it?
I want you to help me track down someone.
Okay. All you just have to do is you send me the details about the person, and also I will forward you my account details.
All those things are just even small thing for me. I just need the job to be done in less than a week.
You don't have a case. All you just have to do is forward me my money and it will be done in less than a week.
Oh, so that means even if I send you the money now, you can do it within 2 days or something.
You don't know why they call me Aqua, one of Africa, eh?
Aqua, you will know. Huh?
No, please send me your details. So I'll send you the money and I'll send you the description of the person.
Okay, now you are talking.
Yeah.
So what did you say? How much is it?
Within 2 days, your job is done. What did I tell
Serious?
you? You don't need to stress your head.
I just need to know if going into this wedding, this marriage, this whole lifetime thing is worth it. How much is it? A goalie.
You were saying 200k.
I beg.
Calm down, Shebi. You say if the thing work, You send me back my money. Don't worry, I don't want to pay.
Better.
Then if you work, you give me 250.
Do you collect instrumental payment?
250,000.
Oh, yeah,
why are you doing like this?
I've heard you. If it has gotten to money issue like this, all your veins will just stand up.
That's why they call me your little sister. What are you doing for him for?
Yeah,
Ordinary jollof rice to finish it inside the pot.
I will give you 250 under one condition.
What condition?
Your allowance for 3 months I will not pay.
Why? 50,000 naira extra. It's not my money I'm helping you to use for your fiancé.
It's okay.
Oh God. See, the way it is, it's just so lovely when you're around.
I know, right?
So when next again are we going to chill and?
Today it depends on you.
Alright, you know what there?
What?
Oh, I'll give you a call when you get
Are you sure?
Wow.
my fiancé.
Wow.
What?
Beautiful.
My fiancé.
Don't touch me. Don't you even touch me with those dirty hands of yours. So this is the new one, eh?
Okay, alright, Martha, don't worry, just be going. When the event click,
Which
you
event?
understand?
Yeah, sure,
when the
of
event
course.
click, I'll
Of
give you a call.
course.
So make sure you arrange those ushers girls for me, yeah?
Don't go and look for a good husband or a boyfriend.
Hello,
Don't touch me. Did I not warn you not to touch me just now?
wait, calm down.
Don't touch me.
Dear, you know already, I can't cheat on you.
Says who?
See, that lady you saw, she is one of the ushering agencies that I want to use for an event. You know, this is a hall, and the hall, I just brought her here so that she can see difference, so that she know how many girls she will bring. I need ladies for this job. So she's going to bring about 10 to 15 girls.
Wow.
You know now, you know ushering jobs.
I know now.
That is how I make good cash.
Oh, good cash.
The clients now that we have, the client. Let me know if you know I can't cheat on you. You know that.
Good cash. And the hall.
Okay. So
Here now.
so let's just be going on.
Your cash.
Let's just be going on.
No problem.
John Legend. You dey fire, baby Oku. Oh, now 2 you even come to today. Boss. No, they cut eye for me. Pepper enter your eye. Now man.
Sorry, like 2 ladies, right?
You don't talk and finish now. Yeah! Baba Oku, you dey fire, steady firing. What's I hey, now man you be. Don't.
So truly, it's true, eh? You want to use my money?
No.
Sorry. I forgot. Which side again is spinning?
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, let them kill you.
No, na me fuck up.